Good morning! How are you today? What? You all are fine? Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. Have you taken a bath? Have you had your breakfast? Already? Wow, that's good. Then it means you all are ready to study with me. Now, let's study, okay? Today, we are going to work with the pre-reading kit am. Mirror. Mirror. Mask. Mask. Man. Man. Magnet. Magnet. Mug. Mug. Mushroom. Mushroom. Mirror. Mirror. Mask. Mask. Man. Man. Magnet. Magnet. Mug. Mug. Mushroom. Mushroom. Can you show me man? Yes. Can you show me magnet? Yes. Can you show me mushroom? Is it a mushroom? Can you show me mushroom? Yes. Can you show me mug? Yes. Can you show me mirror? Yes.